What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play In My Blood by SHAWN Mendes on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial, I will include a skip to section right here where you can skip to either the chords, the chord progression, or the strumming if you don't want to sit through an entire 10-minute video. I totally get it, I totally understand, but if you did watch the entire video, I'd love you forever. Also, what I do want to know is that the full ukulele play-along for this song is already live on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also in the top of the comments, definitely go check that out. That video consists of the chords and lyrics on screen while I strum and sing the entire song, so it's a super easy play-along to follow after you watch this one. Also, what I do want to know is that the full downloadable PDF chord sheet for this song, which is the lyrics and chords, that full chord sheet will be available on Patreon. I would love it if you would definitely check out my Patreon, linked also below. Definitely go check it out. It's a monthly subscription service where you get other videos and also downloadable PDFs for everything. But with that being said and done, let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for this song. Alright, so let's learn these chords. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I just feel like it helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So the first chord that we need is the B flat chord, and you can do this two ways. The first way is going to be, you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over the bottom two strings, which is the second and first string on the first fret. You're going to take your middle finger, place it on the third string, second fret, and then place your ring finger on the fourth string, third fret, and it should sound like this. And the second way that you can do this is you're just going to take your pointer finger and you're going to go over all four strings on the first fret, and then you're going to keep your middle finger and pointer finger exactly where it was for the first position, and it should sound exactly the same. And there you have it. The next chord that we need is the D minor chord, and how I play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the second string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger, and how I do this one is I go over the fourth and third string with my middle finger on the second fret, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the second string, first fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the fourth string, second fret, and it should sound like this. And that's it. Alright, so those are all three chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and once the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use for this song coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song. As soon as you have this chord progression down, you have the entire structure of the song down. So it's going to be F, B flat, D minor, and then B flat. So let's do that one more time. F, B flat, D minor, and then B flat. And then you just keep repeating that chord progression and you have this entire song structure down. Alright, so we talked about the chords, the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we're going to play the song with the strumming pattern. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I didn't want to add a strumming pattern. I just started playing a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. Please, I love this song. Don't make me add a strumming pattern to it. I got you. The first way is just going to be with a down strum. So whenever you see a chord change, just strum down, and it'll sound just as awesome. Alright, so the second way that we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and that strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. I have the F chord down in 3, 2, 1. So you're gonna do that strumming pattern once for every chord. So as soon as you see a chord change, you're gonna restart that strumming pattern. And if you wanna add a little bit more spice into the mix, you can add a chuck, and that is going to look like this. I have the F chord down in 3, 2, 1. So on screen, the X is gonna mark an actual chuck. So again, it's just gonna sound like this. I have the F chord down again in 3, 2, 1. So those are the different ways you can play this song. All right, so we learned the chords, the chord progression, and the different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play In My Blood by SHAWN Mendes on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube if you haven't already. Also, I do want to give a huge shout out to you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know there's a billion, gajillion, trillion videos that you can watch here on YouTube, and you decided to click on this one, so thank you so much for all the support. Also, make sure to leave your song suggestions and recommendations in the comments below. And we also do weekly live streams on this channel every Wednesday and Friday. I'll leave the full schedule in the description below. Make sure to come and hang out. Also, if you have just recently joined and subscribed to this channel, welcome to the Uke Fam, the best Uke Fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for all the support. I truly can't thank you enough. And finally, make sure to open the description below for links to everything from the uke that I was playing, which is the Enya concert ukulele, which is the model number EUC25D. I absolutely love that uke. You should definitely go check it out. I'll leave a link below to the Amazon page and you can read more about it. And if you do want to get it, I highly recommend it. And also links to the merch. If you do want to get some and support this channel, links to everything will be down below. This is the logo for our YouTube channel, and we also do have the Potato Squad merch as well. And finally, links to all of my socials, Patreon, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. I almost forgot Instagram. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to say hi on your most used platform. For me right now, it's TikTok and Instagram. I'm always posting on there, so if you want to go follow me, I'll be at Ricky Somborn right there. And if you do get any merch or if you learn any songs through the tutorials or the play-alongs and you want to share them out to all of the Uke Fam and Potato Squad members, make sure to tag me on Instagram through your stories or your posts. I'm always resharing and always reposting, and I always love seeing you guys do the songs or wear the merch. Thank you so much for all the support. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.